Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Garden City Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. The best way to achieve a successful long-distance relocation service in Garden City is to hire 3 men and a truck. Suppose you ever meet our clients who moved into Garden City from another state or another apartment or office in town. In that case, they will affirm that we handle this type of relocation professionally. We try to avoid complications as often as possible, obeying all state and federal regulations surrounding long-distance relocations. FMCSA has a good relationship with us, and we have all the necessary permits and licenses required of an interstate moving company. We only have drivers who understand how to treat clients like royalty. We plan the long-distance move according to the client's specifications, budgets, and schedules. We aim at giving them the best value for every dollar they pay us. While local relocations pose less stress and challenges, we still would not recommend that you do it yourself. You'll need the services of movers who are familiar with the routes around Garden City. Luckily, our movers reside within the town and are conversant with all the roads connecting to different town parts. Interestingly, we don't overcharge our clients for local moving services. We only charge them $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Garden City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.